Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how I will use my double fry pan because I'm going to cook today meat, which is a pork meat, and double fry pan which is I bought last month in Lulu Supermarket Hamdan. Then since today only I have time to use it, so yeah, and I'm going to show you. It's a Chefline brand, and it's my first time to use it because it's just new. I bought it last month. And the handle of this one, or how to close this one, it's a magnetic, and then it has an extra rubber, so if the rubber will be damaged soon, you can replace it with this another piece. So let's start to cook because I'm too much hungry, so just keep on watching. I'll just put the meat with salt and pepper so it has a taste. Now let's eat. And now I wash it already, and yes, still the same. it's still good as new. It's really non-stick, so it's very good quality. So I hope it will last for how many years. I can still bring this one to Philippines. I can still bring this one to Philippines after a few years. So it's very good. I'm happy for this one. I'm really happy that I bought this one because in future also I think I can bake here some cakes like that and grill chicken or fish. So it's real nice to use this product. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you.